people, it's your girl Lindy and welcome to my world where we are smart about our money, building our businesses and making sure our paperwork is clean so no one can catch us off guard. Today we're going to talk about something so important but most small business owners don't even know about it. It's called beneficial ownership records on CIPC. Now before you switch off because it sounds boring, trust me, you need to know this and I will teach you why. What is a beneficial ownership? So in simple terms, beneficial ownership means who actually owns and control your business, even if their names isn't on paper. It's the person or people who benefit from the profit, have control behind the scene, or can make big decisions. And according to the new CIPC regulation, every registered business in South Africa now need to keep a beneficial ownership register and submit it through CIPC. Why is this important? It's the law now. If you don't submit it or update it within 10 business days of any change, you can get fined. It helps government fight against things like money laundering, dodgy tenders, and corruption. And for you, it keeps your business records clean, professional, and up to date when you apply for funding, tenders, or open a business account. Guys, you cannot even file returns on CIPC, and that's another topic because the filing that you do on CIPC, it is not updating on SARS. You still need to update on SARS, but then that's another video. Let's just continue. Honestly, family, don't play with this. You don't want your business deregistered or blocked from doing deals because you skipped the small thing. Anyone who directly or indirectly owns 5% or more of the business, anyone who controls decision like signing authority or financial control, or anyone who benefits from the business profit, even if it's your go-go uncle or silent partner, if they own or benefit, they must be listed. So how do you do this on CIPC? And I am going to show you step by step. You go to cipc.co.za and then you click login, and then it will take you to the screen where you have to enter your customer code. If you do not have one, just create one under registration, and then you just have to verify that you know a robot, and then you click login. So I'm going to show you two ways. The first way, you look for the company on that list, the one that you want to file for. So you just click on the right hand side and click file. So sometimes this option doesn't work, but I'll show you what I mean and what to do when that doesn't work. And then you enter the enterprise number which you get from your documents, and then you click validate, and then it will ask you to confirm the ID, and then you just click there. Can you see it took me back to the registration page? So I log in again, and now I'm going to show you the second method. You go to transact at the top, and then at the bottom you see beneficial ownership. So under beneficial ownership, it will open this page where you just have to declare and continue. After clicking continue, it will take you to this page. You just need to click new. After clicking new, you're applying for a new beneficial. So you select from the list of these companies, and then you select file. If you don't have, just search the enterprise. So it will take you to this page where you have to upload a mandate. So with the mandate, I already prepared it. I'll show you at the end, and then you click continue. After clicking continue, it will take you to this part. You have to select the company type. So I selected non-affected company with beneficial ownership, and then continue. So you just have to read up on that one. When you get to this page, click new. And then new, you have to select that you are a natural person, and the person that you're declaring is a person. So you enter their details. So those are the directors or people involved in this company. So you enter their date of birth, email, and gender, if they have disability, and then I'm not gonna do that. You just have to continue until you are done completing. So right at the bottom, you have to select date of interest type. So I selected the date when I was doing this. And then you have to select the interest type and then move it. Click that thing to move it to the right hand side. And then the next page is here. It's just you have to specify. It's actually the same page. You have to specify their share, and then at the bottom is address you save. So you do the same with everyone until you see ID verified or their details are verified. So sometimes it might ask you to do OTP. So now you have to upload 3 types of documents: your ID, your securities, your mandate. So let's start with mandate. So I did upload my mandate. And then the second one is the ID, and then the third one is the security. So I did try to continue, and then it gave me an error wanting the security. So that's why I say prepare the 3 documents before you even start. Then I uploaded the securities. I'll show you how it looks. So securities basically looks like this. So you basically create a document like this. You enter your dates, your data, all the directors needs to be listed. So if there's 3, you just have 3 lines of the information for the directors, and then you upload and submit. So after submitting, you'll get an email from CIPC. So before submitting, you have to verify with OTP. So you click confirm, you'll get an email and also an SMS. If your number changed, that's another story. Just a comment, I'll help you. But after submitting, you'll get an email that notify you that you did file for beneficiary. And then you'll get another email. For me, it took less than 15 minutes. I already had my document for beneficiary. Now I am able to log in and file for my tax returns. Remember, tax returns from CIPC and the one from SARS, they are 2 different things. So this is what I got at the end. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe.